excited?
Excited about what?
My yarn haul? What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we doing a yarn haul. We're doing a yarn haul. So today I went to Michael's and Hobby Lobby. Those are the two craft stores that are closest to me. And I did a yarn haul, and I did like a kind of driving video and stuff like that. And so yeah, I'm very excited. I'm thinking this color because you can use it for lots of stuff. But my boyfriend not having it. He doesn't want to participate because he's being sad. Alvin, which color? Oh, you like this one? Now we're at the cotton sugar and cream. I just recently started using cotton yarn and I really like it. So I think I'm going with this color. But I really kind of like this one. And by the way, they have a sale today. All yarn is buy 2 get 1 free, which is not good for me and my pockets because I'm really poor, but I'm not gonna get stuff I don't need, right? Right, Alden? In the middle of the yarn. I don't understand how somebody put this in their basket and didn't want it and decided to put it over here in the yarn section. Right? This jeans yarn is intriguing me, but it's pricey. They got light wash, dark wash. Oh no, this is dark wash. I guess this is like regular jeans. I don't know. Oops. I think this is all I'm getting at Marcus. Got this color. I think I'm gonna make a dress with this. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with this, but I like it. And I have no idea what I'm gonna do with this, but I like it. Let's go. These carts suck because there's nothing here to like, you know what I'm trying to say? There's no bar here to like skate on. Like you can't ride the cart unless you put your foot here, but that's awkward. Oh my gosh, these are so soft. Marshmallow cups. Clips. Marshmallow clips. I went to Michael's and I got this big thing of yarn. It's like Craft Smart yarn, Never Enough, and it is 716 yards. It's really big. It's like a pound. I think it's basically like one of those pound yarns, and I've gotten this one before and I just ran out, but it's in the color beige, and it's just a lot of yarn, and I could just make anything with this. I feel like I can make, I don't know what I'm gonna make with it. Maybe I'll make like a skirt or like a short dress or something like that. I just really like this yarn. So yes, this is the first yarn I got. And the second thing I got was this red heart yarn in the color charcoal, and I got 2 of these because today they have a buy 2 get 1 free all yarn, so that's why I got these right here. And I don't know what I'm gonna make with this either, no idea, but I like this color, so yes. Okay, next from Michael's I got some sugar and cream cotton. I think this is 100% cotton. It's 100% cotton lily and cream, and I got it in the color hot orange. And I just really like this color. I got 3, of course, because it was buy 2 get 1 free. So yeah, I just recently started working with cotton, and I really like working with it. It's different than acrylic yarn. It like doesn't, I don't know how to explain it. It's just like, it's just different, but I do like working with it, and it works well in water for like bathing suits and stuff like that. It works way better in water than it behaves better in water than acrylic does. So yes, all here for this. I think this is like a mini yarn haul because I really didn't get that much yarn because, you know, times is hard. But I went to Hobby Lobby and I got this. I love this yarn, and I do love this yarn. You know, they did name this yarn properly because I like this yarn. But there was 2 projects that I was working on and I ran out of yarn, so I had to go back to Hobby Lobby to get the correct color so I could finish the project. Y'all know the gig. Y'all know how it goes. You get yarn and then you start a project and then, oh, you don't have enough yarn. You gotta go back to the store, get more yarn. The use, you know, that's an everyday thing for a crocheter. But yes, I love this yarn in the color ivory. So yes, it's like not like white, it's like slightly off-white, like almost like an eggshell white, or you know what I'm trying to say. It's just like off-white, but it's called ivory. So yeah. And then I got another I Love This yarn, which this is 100% acrylic, and I do use this yarn a lot in my tutorials, this brand of yarn in my tutorials. Okay, and I like this, I really like this yarn. I was using it for a project, once again, that I didn't start it and I didn't finish, so I needed more yarn, and that is the purpose for getting this yarn. I really needed to go get some yarn because I don't, like, I've been trying to like save money and like use the yarn I have and not go get yarn and use my scrap yarn and stuff. And most of the yarn I have now is I'm gonna use it to make beanies and hats and headbands and stuff like that for winter for you guys. I'm gonna do a tutorial on some beanies and scarves. I'm gonna do all that. Watch when winter roll around, I'm gonna have all the stuff for y'all. Some really, not just boring stuff, like some actual really cool stuff. And but yeah, I just don't have enough yarn for a full project. Like, I don't have any full skeins of yarn. Like, I have a bunch of half skeins and like partial skeins, and like just not enough yarn for a full project. So it was really good for me to go to the store today to get this. This is my yarn. Mini yarn haul today, you know, the usual, nothing new. So yes, all right y'all, bye. Can't see me. What the heck? How did that even happen? And I got got this one in the color burnt pumpkin, and ooh,